Hi students, welcome to my channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, I am going to discuss straight lines, long answer type questions with the concept of application of tan theta. That means the angle between the two lines is equal to theta with slopes m1 and m2. Then tan theta equal to mod m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Based on this concept, I am going to discuss the problems here. See that first question. Find the equations of the straight lines passing through the point minus 10 comma 4 and making an angle theta with the line x minus 2y equal to 10 such that tan theta equal to 2. So first you have to understand the question. Accordingly, you draw the diagram. Find the equations of the straight lines passing through the point minus 10 comma 4. Suppose the line will be like this. This is the required equation of line equal to 0. L equal to 0 is the required line and passing through which point? Minus 10 comma 4 and making an angle theta of this line. This is the given line x minus 2y equal to 10 means minus 10 equal to 0. It makes an angle theta. I don't know this line, the required equation of line slope I don't know. So we have to assume that first line means m1 is equal to m. Second line slope, this is the second line, m2 is equal to, according to the definition of slope, when ax plus by plus c equal to 0 form is there, the line minus a by b, minus x coefficient by y coefficient. So minus 1 by minus 2, it will become 1 by 2. Now first steps, let L is equal to 0 be the line passing through the point minus 10 comma 2, 10 comma 4 with the slope m1 is equal to m. L is equal to 0 the line, m1 is equal to m. The slope of the line x minus 2y minus 10, the slope of the line x minus 2y minus 10 equal to 0 is, this is the second line we are assuming, so m2 is equal to 1 by 2 minus x coefficient by y coefficient, minus 1 by minus 2. It will become minus 1 by minus 2 means 1 by 2. Next step, given that L is equal to 0 line makes an angle theta with the line x minus 2y minus 10 equal to 0 such that tan theta equal to 2. After that we have formula. Whenever angle between the lines is theta, then we have tan theta equal to formula mod m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Tan theta value is given as 2, so 2 equal to mod m1 means m minus m2 means 1 by 2 divided by 1 plus m into 1 by 2. So in the next step, 2 equal to, here only take LCM in the numerator and denominator, it will becomes 2m minus 1 divided by, here to get cancelled, 2 plus m. Cross multiply, 2 into mod 2 plus m is equal to 2m minus 1 squaring on both sides. 2 square means 4. A plus b whole square expansion 4 plus m square plus 4m is equal to 4m square plus 1 minus 4m. 16 plus 4m square plus 16m equal to 4m square plus 1 minus 4m. Whenever quadratic term will be cancelled in this equation, one of the slopes it should be equal to infinity. That implies 16m minus 4m you can take this side plus 4m. 16 you can take this side. 1 minus 16. That implies 20m equal to minus 15. M equal to minus 15 by 20. M equal to minus 5 by 4. Sorry, 3 by 4. 5 3s are 5 4s. And M is equal to infinity, that is equal to 1 by 0. Since M square term is absent, then one of the slopes is undefined. Sorry, infinity. Infinity means undefined. So, two slopes are there. Two cases will arise. First case, point is minus 10 comma 4 and m is equal to minus 3 by 4. This is the case 1. The required line y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. This is x1, this is y1. Y minus 4 equal to minus 3 by 4 into x minus of minus 10. Cross multiply. 4y minus 16 equal to minus 3x minus 30. These values you can take this side. 3x plus 4y minus 16 plus 30. So 3x plus 4y plus 14 equal to 0. Come to the second case, case 2. The required here point is same, minus 10 comma 4 and m is equal to 1 by 0. So the required line y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus 4 equal to 1 by 0 into x minus of minus 10. Cross multiply 0 equal to x plus 10. Therefore, these are the required equation of straight lines which is making an angle theta with the given straight line. Next question. Find the equations of the straight lines passing through the point 1, 2 and making an angle of 60 degrees with the line root 3x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. Find the equations of the lines. So, first what I have to write it is, first step, let the required line be L equal to 0 and passing through the point one comma 2 with slope m1 equal to m. For this step, the diagram will become like this. This is the line L equal to 0 passing through which point? 1 comma 2 whose slope is, we are assuming that m1 is equal to m. Next, and making an angle of 60 degrees with the line, given that the line L equal to 0 makes an angle theta equal to 60 degrees with the line root 3x plus y plus 2 equal to 0 and whose slope is m2 is equal to, slope definition, minus x coefficient by y coefficient minus root 3 slope of this line is equal to minus root 3. M1 we know that, M2 also we know that. And this is the line root 3x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. The angle between these two equal to given as 60 degrees. Whenever M1 value, M2 value is there and angle between them is there, you can apply tan theta formula. We have tan theta equal to mod M1 minus M2 divided by 1 plus M1 M2. In place of theta substitute 60 degrees. Tan 60 is equal to mod M1 minus M2. M1 means M. M2 means minus root 3. Minus of minus root 3 plus root 3 by 1 plus M1 M2. M into minus root 3. Minus root 3 M. What is the value of tan 60? Tan 60 means root 3. Is equal to mod M plus root 3 divided by 1 minus root 3 M. If you remove here modulus, this side plus or minus root 3 will come. M plus root 3 divided by 1 minus root 3 M. Cross multiply plus or minus root 3 into 1 minus root 3 M is equal to M plus root 3 squaring on both sides. In the coming step, after doing that squaring on both sides, you are going to get 3 into a minus b whole square expansion 1 plus 3m square minus 2 into root 3 into m into 1, that means minus 2 root 3m is equal to a plus b whole square expansion m square plus root 3 whole square is 3 plus 2 root 3. First each and every term of this bracket value multiplying by 3. After that these values we are taking this side. 3 plus 9m square minus 6 root 3m minus m square minus 3 minus 2 root 3 into m is equal to 0. Minus 3 plus 3 get cancelled. 9m square minus m square is 8m square minus 6 root 3m minus 2 root 3m minus 8 root 3m is equal to 0. From these two 8m take common. 8m into m minus root 3 is equal to 0. That implies m equal to 0 and m minus root 3 equal to 0. 8m equal to 0 means m equal to 0 we are writing. So m equal to 0 and m is equal to root 3. In case 1, if m equal to 0 and the point P is 1 comma 2 is there, x1 y1. So the required line is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, y minus 2 equal to 0 into x minus 1. So y minus 2 equal to 0. Case 2. Come to the case 2. If m equal to root 3 and p equal to 1 comma 2, therefore the required equation of line, is, again you have to apply same formula, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus 2 equal to m value is root 3 into x minus 1. No need to expand, we can leave like this. These are the required equations which are passing through the point 1 comma 2 and making an angle 60 degrees with the given line. Next question. The base of an equilateral triangle is x plus y plus 2 equal to 0 and the opposite vertex is 2 comma minus 1. Find the equations of the remaining sides. First, draw the rough diagram of an equilateral triangle, and you have to draw the diagram of equilateral triangle. This is an equilateral triangle with vertices A, B, C. Equilateral triangle means all angles are equal. So here 60 degrees, here also 60, here also 60 degrees. And the base of an equilateral triangle is, that means BC is the base here according to this diagram. So x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. And the opposite vertex of this one is clearly it is A of 2 comma minus 1. Find the remaining equations of the remaining sides. That means this equation AB and equation AC. These two equations we are going to calculate now. Let us consider, or let us assume that the slopes of the remaining sides B. These two are, only one we are considering, M1 is equal to M. These two I am assuming that first side. Come to the second one. The base of an equilateral triangle is given. The slope of the base of an equilateral triangle and equilateral triangle x plus y plus 2 equal to 0 is, this slope I am assuming that m2 is equal to minus x coefficient by y coefficient, that is equal to minus 1. The slope of base of an equilateral triangle is x plus y plus 2 equal to 0 is m2 is equal to minus 1. Whenever it is equilateral triangle, we know that angle between them is 60 degrees. This slope is m1 is equal to m, either this equation if you assume that, otherwise this equation. And the slope of this equation is m2 is equal to minus 1. So whenever m1 and m2 values are there and including an angle 60 degrees, then we have to apply tan theta formula. The angle between the sides AB or AC and BC's is 60 degrees, then we have tan theta formula. Tan theta is equal to mod m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. That implies tan theta means tan 60 degrees is equal to m1 means m minus m2, minus of minus 1 plus 1 by 1 m1 into m2, m into minus 1 minus m. Tan 60 is root 3 is equal to mod m plus 1 by m1 minus m. If you remove modulus here, this side plus or minus 3 and cross multiply, 1 minus m equal to m plus 1 and do that squaring on both sides, that implies plus or minus root 3 whole square is 3 and a minus b whole square expansion 1 plus m square minus 2m equal to m square plus 2m plus 1. These values we can take this side and multiply this side each and every term with 3. It will becomes 3 plus 3m square minus 6m. These values I am taking that side, minus m square minus 2m minus 1 equal to 0. That implies 3m square minus m square is 2m square, minus 6m minus 2m minus 8m, 3 minus 1 plus 2 equal to 0. All are multiples of 2, dividing by 2 it will becomes m square minus 4m plus 1 equal to 0. So make it perfect square. M square minus 4m is equal to minus 1. Here m coefficient is 4 irrespective of minus or plus. Half of m coefficient is 2, that we have to square it, that means 2 square, adding and subtracting on both sides. So adding on both sides, minus 4m plus 4 minus 4 which is equal to minus 1, adding and subtracting plus 4. Why plus 4 means half of the square of m coefficient. M square minus 4m plus 4, keep in bracket, and which is equal to minus 1. Minus 4 we can take this as plus 4. It is the expansion of m minus 2 whole square is equal to 3. So m minus 2 is equal to root 3. That minus 2 we can take this here, plus or minus. Minus 2 we can take this side. M is equal to 2 plus or minus root 3. If we consider plus one side, AB will come, slope of one side. If we consider minus, slope of another side, AC. So now the equations of the remaining sides, passing through the vertex, passing through 2 comma minus 1 with slopes m equal to 2 plus or minus root 3 is, this is x1 y1 now, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus of minus 1 plus 1 equal to 2 plus or minus root 3 into x minus 2. No need to expand this one.